Meat, like animal meat, is a very complex material, and there's not only protein from the muscle in there, but there's adipose tissue, which is the fat. But the plant-based products don't have that. The strategy we've been exploring is that trying to understand, first of all, what is the structure of a piece of adipose tissue? And the structure looks remarkably like a sponge, like an open cell foam. So we said, can we look for something that resembles a sponge out there? And one thing that came to mind is plant tissue. We used broccoli and asparagus and carrots, filled them with oil, took wonderful images with the micro CT, the computed tomography at the c.l.s. And so that was one strategy, and it worked extremely well. And that's part of one of our publications. And the other one was, can we just make a gel using common materials? Like we use legume starches, pea starch, chickpea flour, and oil. We bought lean ground meat and we bought medium ground meat. And then we added enough adipose tissue fat to turn the lean ground meat into medium ground meat. And the properties were identical with the gel. The Synchrotron, particularly the Canadian light source, has been critical and essential to our development of our products. People like their burgers and meat to be juicy. This will go a long way to help introduce more people to plant-based meat products.